White sparkling teeth are one of the most common features that people desire. Your teeth are the #1 feature that others notice first, so it's natural for you to want your teeth to be at their best. Whitening treatments are mainstream and there are plenty to choose from. Some are very expensive and may lead you to think that your best solution is an at-home whitening treatment that you can make on your own. Baking soda will come to mind, but does baking soda actually whiten teeth? First, what is baking soda? In the scientific world, baking soda is referred to as sodium bicarbonate. It appears as a fine powder and has a salty taste. It can be used for many different things, including cooking, disinfecting, agriculture needs, odor control, and medical uses. With so many different uses, baking soda is a common ingredient found inside the home. When baking soda is combined and mixed with peroxide, it creates a paste that can be applied to the teeth. Baking soda was actually used in the early 1900s as a toothpaste and was the basis for helping whiten teeth, but the problem is that it's very messy. So, does baking soda whiten teeth? Yes, but it's a complete mess and will only whiten your teeth when paired with peroxide. Combining baking soda and peroxide will give you a whitening paste that you can apply to your teeth, but it does come with a few issues. First, your mouth will be covered in the paste and it will not stick. The paste will slide off your teeth and it can become runny. You'll have to thoroughly wash your mouth over and over to get the grainy and dissolved baking soda out of your mouth. And the taste is anything but pleasant. If you decide to brush your teeth with this paste, the grainy texture can actually damage your gums or cause micro scratches to your teeth. Baking soda can whiten teeth, but it is the least effective home treatment. You'd have to continue to brush your teeth with the baking soda peroxide paste for a few months before you start seeing results. The good news is that there are more modern teeth whitening treatments that will whiten your smile without breaking the bank. The whitening industry offers many options like whitening pens, blue lights, and strips. All of those have the ability to whiten teeth, but none of them have the unique benefits that custom whitening trays have. Whitening trays are custom made to fit only your smile. The soft trays will encase your teeth in a snug fit. Paired with premium foaming gel that is activated by the touch of saliva, this gel will foam into the cracks and crevices of your teeth. Custom whitening trays are handcrafted in dental labs that offer a premium whitening treatment. Blue lights tend to be a popular choice, but there are a few issues that stick out. The light that emits from this device isn't as powerful as what the dentist uses, so while the light activates the gel, it's not as efficient as going to the dentist. There's also the issue of knockoff brands. Each week there seems to be a new blue light whitening device, but it can be dangerous if not inspected and built correctly. Be careful when buying foreign blue light devices because they can be faulty and cause damage to your mouth and gums. And premium blue lights can be very expensive. When you are looking for a at-home whitening treatment, look no further than teeth whitening trays. Does baking soda whiten teeth? Yes, but it's a very long and sloppy process. You'll need to create a paste and figure out how to keep it on your teeth long enough for it to work. Whitening trays are the safest and most effective way to whiten your teeth at home, and it's very affordable. To get yourself a set of whitening trays, click the link below and shop at Sporting Smiles.